Hi everyone! Welcome to Faewood Mead. Welcome back to Faewood Mead. Appreciate you for being here. This is the long-awaited cherry cream year tasting. Long-awaited for me anyways. And this is Noelle, my lovely co-host. She's great. She's got a great palate and knowledge inside her brain skulls here. So appreciate her being here. I'm going to do this as like the heathen that I am. I'm sure many people are frowning upon me who are watching this video at this very moment as well. And I don't blame them.
Oh my. a big pour.
Oh yeah, I did.
Thank you.
I went a little, it's fine.
No, I appreciate you.
Cheers. All right. Cheers.
Oh wow. Oh my goodness.
For this I used tart cherry juice, D47, Dutch Gold, clover honey, secondary dried cherries, vanilla bean, lactic acid, lactose, I think some tannin.
That is so good. I said, goddamn, that's so good.
Whoa. Oh, I'm so happy with that. Holy shit.
It's so intense. Like that cherry, everything's just popping.
Dang.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, this is a keeper right here. Pretty simple-ish. I guess not necessarily. I mean, it's not like super beginner mead style, because I did add some tannin and the lactose lactic acid kind of balancing thing.
Rounds it out. Yeah.
It rounds it out a lot because with just the cherries, that was so sharp.
It is. It's almost like a cherry cream pie. But even more extracted. Like it's just, so lush, so full.
Ooh,
that is.
I love the after, like the end.
Yeah, the back palate, the retronasal just keeps on giving.
It's like a cherry cream soda.
The best one I've ever had, with the benefit of ethanol in there too.
Like, ooh, I wonder how this would be carbonated, but I feel like just a wine is lovely.
I think as is, this is a sipper. Another one for the colder months to fall through. Although it's got enough acidity where it's perfect now as well. This is a year-rounder.
I think it's just like the vanillin and the smooth. Oh my god, these fruit flies are like, oh hey, what you drinking?
It smells pretty good.
Yeah. I'm just gonna get on there.
Get myself. You don't mind, do you?
You don't mind if I join you for a drink?
It's sweet, but the acidity cuts it, balances it properly. The tannic structure is there. Like it's wonderful.
This is a good one.
That's a really good one.
This is a keeper. Did a good job, and it feels nice when that happens. This was in a series of videos, which I apologize for. I know they're not in my current all-in-one video, way that I do things. Can't find words. Watch those if you haven't and you're curious. I have to make this again, immediately.
Yeah, toot sweet.
Toot flipping sweet.
What honey do you think would stand up best to this fruit? Because the fruit is...
Yeah, big fruit.
Yes, strong. So what, if you were to do another honey, what do you think you would do?
I wouldn't do anything super sharply sweet like orange blossom. I think that's too big of a character. Tupelo might be good. It's got kind of a spicy, deep character to it. Yeah, or...
Would you ever do a wildflower? Or would that just compete, do you think, too much?
No, wildflower is pretty neutral.
Is it? Okay.
So I'd say wildflower or clover are super neutral honeys. There's one that I have called Moname Blossom that's kind of like a buttery, smooth honey that might be good. Yeah. It might complement the smoothness of the lactose. Kind of play around. There's so many honey varietals, but I would definitely avoid anything that's I wouldn't want to put lemon blossom honey in this, right? Because you don't want anything that's going to be really acidic, because the cherries are already very acidic and tart. So you don't want anything that's going to compete with that or add to it that will battle with the smoothness. Or even if you just ferment on clover or wildflower, and then back sweeten with that character, or even like meadow foam. You want to talk about creamy, marshmallowy.
Yeah, that would work so well. That could be a variation.
Yeah, I would want to make like 3 of these at once and just back sweeten with different honeys and see like who I liked more. I mean, this is one to like work from. I wouldn't want to change anything else, just the honey.
Yeah.
Would
Right,
be
and
interesting.
don't. I mean, just because you don't want to change too many variables at a time. Just one variable, because the base is perfect, and just see where it could go. It's truly lovely. I feel bad for not getting to taste it.
I know, y'all can't. You have to make it.
Yeah.
You got to make it, and then you can taste it. Because, damn.
Yeah. Damn.
I'm very happy with this one. Maybe just like, give myself one. I might as well just like drink this. You know what I'm saying? I don't want that to.
None of this goes to waste. I feel like chewing on, or not, but like
there is a chewiness,
keeps giving. When you breathe out, the retronasal, getting beautiful aromatics, totally different. It's just really well done. Really well done.
This one might be like my number 1.
This is very good.
It might be my number 1. Out of all my recipes I've ever made, the cherry cream, banana cream pie also stands out. Yeah, I've got a few favorites. This is probably at like the top of the list. I think this is.
It's an excellent beverage.
This is really
a real treat.
I'm like, I just wanna.
Yeah.
I feel like I should be in a blankie.
Yeah.
I just wanna like.
A little nightcap.
Yeah, a little nightcap, just sipping on it.
Well done.
Thank you. Cheers. Yes. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you.
Thank you for having me.
For drinking this mead with me.
Yeah. For subjecting me to this beautiful mead.
It's torture. It's torturous. Woe is me. We're gonna finish this, and we will see you all next time. Look at the descriptions down below. Can you tell we've already done some tastings? If you can't, I'm telling you right now. Check out everything down below. Description. I've got all the videos there. If you wait until the end cards, you will see number 1, cherry cream. You can click on it. If you're not subscribed, you should be, because that'd be cool. Appreciate it. Appreciate your support. Okay, thank you. Love you so much. Okay, bye. Bye. Hello, welcome to my video and to this channel. Appreciate you being here. God damn it. I somehow forgot how I've been introducing everything, and now I am lost in outer space. Okay, it's fine. Hi everyone. Thank you for what the fuck? Hi everyone.
Yes. Thank you for nothing.
Why am I thanking anybody right now?
You didn't do this. You didn't make this.